Hello, I'm Rob Hewlett with SERJ Instruments. I'm here to introduce to you Halo, which is our wide-angle viewing system for retina procedures. We're going to get into a lot of details about Halo, but before we do that, I want to tell you about our team here at SERJ Instruments. We all came from a company called Endura Medical, and Endura was a microscope company that developed the Luxor family of microscopes. We developed them, we designed them, we introduced them to the market about 10 years ago, and 7 years ago Alcon came in and bought us, which that was a great day. Alcon now is very successful with the Luxor family of microscopes, and in fact we are very proud to know that the Luxor family of microscopes is the #2 selling microscope in ophthalmology behind only Zeiss. So now let's talk a little bit about Halo. Our motivation in designing the product was really twofold. Number one, we felt like the product that was currently on the market, the Biome, was way too expensive. And then number two, we saw an opportunity to provide a lens system that's sterilizable that would help customers save tens of thousands of dollars every year versus using disposable lenses. So let's get into the details and the operation of Halo. Halo is a precise piece of equipment. It's lovely. When you look at it, the blue and the green hard coat anodizing are beautiful. But when you get your hands on the product, you can tell that it is a very well-made piece of equipment. The movement, the way it opens and locks in place, the way it closes and precisely locks into place, it is a high-quality piece of equipment. And Halo attaches to the microscope the way the Biome would attach to the microscope. It goes right onto the dovetail, locks with a thumb screw, and it's held in place. Whenever you flip it out of place, it locks out of place. You can rotate it in any position that you would like. When you want to rotate Halo into place, we've got magnets here and here, as well as on the microscope plate, that precisely lock the wide field or the macular lens right in the center of the field, and then as you rotate, the lens stays perfectly centered in your field of view. When you do need to make adjustments in focus, one finger adjustment is all that you need. It slides up and down very, very easily. The Biome is a terrific product, but we've done a couple of things with Halo that we believe are improvements. First of all, we've got a large spring that locks the converging lens into place. That mechanism on the Biome is a small piece of spring steel, and it does the job, but you'll feel that the converging lens is locked better in place with Halo. But from a safety perspective, our T-hinge is something that we think is very special. What we've done is we've taken magnets on each side, on the Halo side and on the microscope plate side, and have them working together with our T-hinge so that whenever you attach Halo to the microscope plate, it is locked in place. You can pull on it and it's going nowhere. So whenever you rotate Halo in place and then you push Halo to be out of place, you're never going to separate Halo from the microscope plate like you can with the Biome. Alright, let's talk about lenses for a minute. Obviously our lenses work in Halo, but these lenses will also work in a Biome that you might own. So if you're currently using disposable lenses and you want to save money and go with sterilizable lenses, these will plug right into your Biome and work perfectly. But also your Biome lenses can work in our Halo. So here's a sterilizable lens set from Biome that works perfectly inside of Halo. Everything lines up just as it would with the Biome. Also, the Biome disposable lenses can work in Halo. Here's a disposable lens. Lines up and works perfectly. And even the dual lens, the flippy lens, works on Halo as well. So no matter what system you want to use, with Halo, we got you covered. With the Biome, there are different, what Oculus calls reduction lenses that are needed if you use a 175mm focal length objective lens versus a 200mm objective lens. We are proud that we've been able to design in the halo the ability to use one halo and one of our lenses, no matter if you're using a 175 or a 200mm focal length objective lens. What you'll find is if you're using a 175mm lens, the focusing point of halo is going to be in the upper third. But if you have a 200mm objective lens, it's super simple. You're just going to be focusing in the lower 1/3. So we're proud that no matter what focal length objective lens you prefer to use, you can use the exact same halo and the exact same lens system. We have a high quality custom sterilizing case that you can use to sterilize halo, and it fits everything. So we've got the halo, the microscope plate, the converging lens, and the wide field or macro lenses. Plenty of room in here for everything that you would need to sterilize, and it positively locks and then goes into the sterilizer to make that quick, simple, and easy for you. Okay, here we have an Oculus Biome 5. I just want to show you that our lenses fit perfectly into the Biome in case you decide you want to use our sterilizable lenses with your Biome. And if you use our sterilizable lenses with your Biome, we'll ship the lenses in a case like this. Plenty of room for the converging lens as well as your wide field and or macular lens inside of a nice locking sterilizable case. I want to thank you so much for being interested in halo, interested in our lenses, and for watching this video. Whether you have Zeiss, Leica, Alcon, or any major brand of microscope, halo can work for you. Please get in touch with us and let us know how we might be able to help. Hope you have a great day.